Last week, we celebrated a special teacher. Mr. Wolf was honored by the Granite Education Foundation as an Excel Outstanding Educator in Granite District. Let's see some highlights.
My name is J.D. Talbot. I'm the Executive Director of the Granite Education Foundation. On behalf of the Granite Education Foundation, the Granite School District, we have many supporters of the Excel program. So just a little bit, students, about this. Every year we ask for nominations for people to nominate teachers that are doing amazing things in our school district. This year, Mr. Wolf was one nominee of over 1,500. And then today we get on the bus, we go around and we celebrate 9 teachers and 1 administrator. So Mr. Wolf is one of 9 teachers, which is not a whole lot out of 1,500 that get nominated and over 4,000 teachers in our district. So let's give him a round of applause.
Well, Mr. Wolf, thank you so much. Congratulate you on this. It's well deserved. As JD has said, we truly appreciate the work our educators do for our students and for our colleagues and for your families and everyone else. I used to be a former science teacher. So this is a special one for me because from science to science, right, we get to have the most amazing content. What's the favorite thing?